Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto G Fast mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back hazard on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 10 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug by moving the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue under the battery. You can use a heat pad, heat gun or hair dryer for this process. And then use a car pry tool or pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. This process will take time. Next, gently pull out the battery from the body. Next, clean the battery surface. Next, place and secure the new battery with adhesive. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 10 screws. Next, place the fingerprint button. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.